Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Clarkdale local and long-distance movers near me. After deciding to move and finding a suitable location, you need to make plans to transport your belongings to the new location. The process is very tasking and requires a lot of input. The best thing you can do is to hire a moving company. Hiring a moving company is another assignment you have to take seriously. You must ensure you hire competent and trustworthy movers. Throughout the relocation period, the moving company you hire has access to your home or workspace, personal belongings, and information. They also determine how seamlessly your move is. To know the right moving firm to hire, do thorough research about their reputation. They must be fully registered under the authorities in charge of relocation. If you are in Clarkdale, AZ, you are in luck. You don't have to stress about finding the perfect moving company. 3 Movers is a cheap local and long-distance moving service in Clarkdale, AZ. We are fully staffed and equipped to make your relocation wishes a reality. Our moving services are fast, efficient, and reliable. We take charge of the entire move, so you can focus on other tasks you need to complete to settle down comfortably in your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Clarkdale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.